Hey, how's it going? This is Dale Williams, also known as Detaildale. Got these new Recon Series right here. And a lot of people want to hear how they sound. Here is the Recon trimmer right there. It's a very, very nice trimmer. Powerful trimmer. Strong trimmer. And this is how it sounds. Quiet. Very, very quiet clipper. So my review as far as the vibration and the sound of these trimmers, wonderful, splendid. I love it. Second to none. That's what I'm saying about these. Smooth, quiet, strong. Look at that. Very nice. Andis raised the bar with this trimmer right here. Now, here is the Andis Recon clipper. Now, I'm not gonna lie. It's light, but at the same time, it's like, it fit in my hand like a glove. And the way that it's designed is just absolutely incredible with the grips, the way my middle finger hit this part and my index finger right here. Oh my goodness. Heaven stroke. Now, that's the sound. The vibration is good. It's quiet. It's got a very powerful motor. Can't wait to put this to use. Got the clip on the side right there. So this is like my review on these clippers. Now I have not cut with the trimmer or the clipper yet, but I'm getting ready to with this client that's getting ready to come in here. So my review before using this Recon trimmer and this Recon trimmer right here. So my review before, actually doing a haircut with this Recon trimmer and this Recon clipper, all I can say is they are not loud, they are quiet, the vibration is wonderful. I like how they both are designed back here in the back. Because when we hold it, you have way more control. A very, very powerful, strong clipper with a nice, quiet sound. The vibration is not annoying. It's smooth, as well as with the trimmer. This is the Recon Series trimmer, the Recon Series trimmer. And the clipper, the Recon clipper. I can't wait to put these babies to work. We're getting ready to. Stay tuned for the next video.